Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Printing an entire email thread in Yahoo Mail is a quick process that helps you keep a physical record of your digital conversations. First, log into your Yahoo Mail account using any web browser on your computer. Navigate to your inbox and locate the specific email conversation you want to print. Click on the email to open the full thread on your screen. Before you proceed, make sure all the individual messages within the thread are expanded. If some messages are collapsed, the printout might only include the most recent reply. You can click on the individual messages to show their full content. Once the entire thread is visible, look for the print icon. In the standard Yahoo Mail interface, you will see a small printer icon located at the top right of the message pane. If you do not see the printer icon immediately, click on the three horizontal dots labeled More to find the print option in the drop-down menu. Clicking this will open a new window showing a clear print preview of the entire conversation. Check this preview carefully to ensure all replies and attachments are included as expected. Finally, select your preferred printer from the System dialog box and click the Print button. This specific method ensures that every reply, timestamp, and sender detail in the thread is captured perfectly on paper. Using the browser's built-in print command often cuts off important text, so always use the specific Yahoo print button for the best results every single time you need a hard copy.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.